Skylanders.
Okay, go ahead.
But this one is about snow.
So.
Wonderful, wonderful. You might have seen the first videos, but, well, this is the third video, and you're going to see Jolie in this. And soon, she's going to be taking some pictures.
What are you doing, though?
Making a snow angel. And this is how you make one. You lay on the snow and do this.
Okay, let's see the result. Get up and let's see the result. Wow, that looks just like a snow angel.
Just look at the head. I have to write smile. I totally have to write smile.
And then we got to give it a halo.